This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer DeYoung. Open house 6/18 and 6/19 from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. In the event the seller is fortunate enough to receive multiple offers, all written offers will be reviewed by Tuesday 6/21 by 6 p.m. Welcome home to a well-maintained and updated single-story rancher in Ivy Farms neighborhood. Arriving home to the beautifully manicured flower beds and entering into an open floor plan with vaulted ceilings in the living room and inviting fireplace as the centerpiece, you will see a semi-split floor plan with primary bedroom and ensuite bathroom on the rear of the dwelling and the 2 guest rooms and full bathroom on the front of the home. Nest video doorbell, Nest floodlight security camera, Nest thermostat, and both refrigerators convey west/property at possession. Gas hot water heater replaced 2019, new vinyl fence installed 2022 west/transferrable warranty, detached oversized storage barn built in November 2020. For more information, review the details below or contact Jennifer DeYoung at 757-706-1852.